USB debugging is a mode that allows your Galaxy A50, or any Android device for that matter, communicate with computers for the purpose of development. It is under developer options and by default, the mode is hidden away. That's why if you need to have access to the former before you can enable USB debugging on your phone. In this video, I will be showing you how to access the developer mode and enable USB debugging. To begin, pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. You may also access settings by pulling down the notification shade and tapping the gear icon. Scroll all the way down to access developer options. Assuming that you've successfully enabled it, it should be the last option under settings. However, if developer options isn't enabled yet, then tap About Phone. Tap Software Information. And tap Build number 7 times in rapid succession. After doing this, return to the settings screen. Now tap Developer Options. Find USB Debugging and then tap the switch next to it. You will be prompted if you allow USB debugging on your device or not. Tap OK. USB debugging is now enabled on your Galaxy S10. Both the developer options and USB debugging can be disabled at any time. But remember, when you disable the former, the latter will also be disabled together with it, but not the other way around. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.